So I welcome you all on the MOOCs session on the USMLE pathway and the process. So let's make it more interactive and more of two-way communication, right? Great. So my name is Chirag. I am the COO online coaching at MOOCs Overseas EduCon. So today we are going to understand your journey as an international medical graduate. How do you prepare for these USMLE examinations, and how exactly we at Moksha are going to help you in this journey, right? So good, we have a mixed batch today. We have first second year students, third fourth year, and intern graduates attending the session today. So I welcome you all on this Moksha platform. We are going to understand the USMLE examination and the comparison with the PG process in India. All right. So let's quickly begin the journey of the process. So now let's begin quickly. Let's do a basic comparison about the process. Okay. The undergrad degree in India is termed as MBBS. In US, it is termed as MD program. Okay, so that happens when you pursue the NEET UG. Then you appear the NEET PG, which will be soon replaced by the next exam, and you apply for MDMS, which is a residency programs in the US. So in US, you appear for USMLE. These are series of 4 examinations. All right, in all, total 4 examinations which you got to appear. All right, and please understand this very clearly. The super specialization is DM or MCH, right? So at the UG level, you understand you have to appear for MBBS, and the super specialization is DM or MCH. All right. The equivalence of that is fellowships. So PG is residency and super specialization is fellowships. Now let's talk about the attempts. In India, there are multiple attempts for NEET, which will be soon replaced by the next examination. But in US, if you prepare for USMLE, you only have one golden attempt. All right, let's talk about the admission. In India, when 10 students apply for PG, one gets a PG seat. Okay. In US, when 2 people apply, one gets a seat. So the probability of getting admission is higher. Choice of specialization. In India, it's based on the NEET rank. In US, it is very flexible. It is before application. Tuition fee. In India, the government is 3 to 5 lakhs. Private is 1 to 3 crores. In US, there is no tuition fee to do post graduation. Salary 30 to 40,000 per month is the stipend. In US, it is 3 to 4 lakhs. So if you understand why more and more Indian students are moving towards the US process, is very simple, right? There is no tuition fee. You get paid while doing PG. There is a choice of specialization. Admission ratio is higher, and most importantly, only one set of examinations. With that, you can apply for both residency and fellowships. You don't have to appear for need a separate exam for super specialization the way it happens in India. So these are the reasons why every student who is preparing for MBBS in India is very much geared that if I want an option for PG, I will consider US. Because in India, the math is very clear. If I am in a class of 100 students and if my rank is 16th, which means that getting a PG in India will be difficult. Because this is how it is. If you see the funnel, usually when you apply for admissions, when 21 students apply, one student gets a seat into MBBS. When 10 students apply, one gets a seat into PG. And when almost 15 students apply, one gets a super specialization seat. So if my rank is above 16, my rank is 17, I know it will be very difficult for me to get a government seat, or I should be ready with 1 to 3 crore rupees and get a private PG seat. That is the reality of the the Indian process. All right. Yes, Ronald, there is no tuition fee to do PG. Ronald, which specialization are you interested in? You are correct. There is no tuition fee to do post graduation in America. May I know which specialization are you interested in? So don't, I understand you are surprised that there is no tuition fee, but yes, I would definitely prove it to you and show it to you. Okay. What specialization do you want to do PG in? If you can quickly type it in, I can actually show you for that particular specialization. Okay. In America, there is no tuition fee to do post graduation. This is something which all of us needs to understand. And for that, we will guide you to our handout. So there are couple of handouts here. You need to click on the Mooksh handout. Okay. So that's the Mooksh USMLE brochure. Once you kind of open that handout, you will be able to understand why I do say that. Doing a PG in America is like doing a job. And once you finish your specialization, Ronald, I can actually show you about the process as well. Right? Great. So as you can see here, what are the factors which determine the admission? Okay. Because doing a PG is like doing a job, then the admissions are determined not only on my USMLE marks, but college performance, USMLE marks, CV, and the interview. In India, what happens is the only one exam. Today it is NEET PG, tomorrow it will be JEE, but only one exam determines my admission. If I get a great score, I get into a government seat. I pay reasonable fees. If I don't, I have to pay crores of rupees to private medical college. But everything is determined by this one exam. In US, as surprise was my friend Ronald, let me tell you, there is no tuition fee. In fact, you get paid 3 to 4 lakh rupees per month. So total package annually for international students is 35 to 50 lakh rupees. Okay. So 3-year medicine, you are earning about 1 crore rupees. That is the level or amount of money which you kind of make and you consider the USMLE option.